Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm not really expecting a big move unless there's some leak of alleged news for tomorrow, which is I believe PPI, and then Powell is going to speak as well, and then CPI on Wednesday. So unless we have a leak of anything, I don't expect a downtrend or an uptrend, and the market isn't giving us that structure yet. So I'm gonna call it a day, but I'm gonna show you what happened intraday today and why. So look at the 30-minute. We closed the cup opening opening of today. Then of course we're gonna expect the handle, right? So I expected some type of retracement, right? But we started we started retracing farther down. So to take the trade down, you have the yellow algo, right? And this is where the handle, the cup completed, right? And then we expect the retracement for the handle. So this yellow algo, break of yellow, you could take the trade right here all the way down. Then you have to notice the blue and the teal. So the blue is gonna be that support, the channel we're in, okay, for majority of the day. And then the teal, and then for the break of teal, you have to wait, right? um, you could take this trade right here and then all the way down here, and then you have to base the support. So since you see the blue here, it's always going to be support, right? And we can see that support in the 30-minute as well, this red, right? How we got that support right here at 11:30. Same thing at the 1 minute, right? 11:30 right here. See, you see that support candle right here. So same thing, it lined up with the 30-minute, right? So you can always use the 30-minute to get confirmations for the 1 minute as well, right? So there we got the support, right? And then we basically have to build more liquidity, right? We're still in this pink, overall pink algo. And we also had the possibility here of closing the inverse cup as well, right? Because you see this cup right here, inverse cup right here, right? We could close that as well. So we have to look for two possibilities, right? So the teal algo is still in play, right? So here the teal algo is still in place, so another teal algo, right? But here you also have to look out for the blue as well. So you have to manage the risk really well here, because I'm going to explain why, but you have to really manage the risk around blue, because it's always finding support at blue right here, right? Support right here. So blue is very good support as well as resistance up top, right? So here there's another possibility of taking the trade, but again you have to manage the risk, right? And see if it does break the red. If it does break red, you will have to exit the position, because then the blue is going to be a support. But in this case we just push farther down, and this can be a harder trade to take, because especially because of the blue right here, right? But if you did take it, right, you can also take it right here, right? And then all the way down here, let's close the inverse cup that you saw in the 30-minute, right? See the whole inverse cup right here, closed right here, right? So then we have to wait for the handle on the inverse cup, right? So we just been in that algo, right? We just been in that algo with no continuation structure as of yet, but that's what we have to wait for in the market to give us that. But as you can see, like, we were in the blue algo the whole day, right? Combined with the teal. So yeah, that's what you just have to look out for, and with the confirmation of 30-minute, that's all it takes. But I'm gonna now show you what the possible scenarios are, right? So one possible scenario is, right, okay, so we form that inverse cup, right, close that. Then we're gonna build liquidity, right? We're gonna reject right here, and then we're gonna grab that liquidity and then bring us down all the way right here, right? And then we're gonna test right here, right? We're gonna see if we break out of here, the gray, because we've been in the gray the whole time, for the past, I guess, like week and a half, right? So we have to see if we break that, and then we're gonna complete the another inverse cup right here, right? The bigger we for the handle, right? And then same thing that happened here is gonna happen here, right? Um, but I'm gonna show you if we're headed up, right? So we're just gonna find that support right here, and then also come back right here. However, I would like to see a deeper retracement. I'm not gonna lie, because we just have so much resistance up here, right? So if we really want to see a big move up, a bigger retracement won't hurt, and I actually want a bigger retracement before taking on big positions, right? Um, so um, if it retraces down here, it's even better, right? So we have that bigger liquidity right here, and then we have a bigger move up, right? So yeah, that's what you should look for, and also trade at structured demands. Wait for the moves to be defined tomorrow, and it's gonna be a pretty heavily moved day. Um, so just look out for that, and if you have any questions, let me know.